One more time. God dang.
Welcome back, everybody. We're in the car heading to my barber. Meant to get a haircut on Friday, wasn't able to. So it's Monday. We've got car parts heading to the shop. Let's get a haircut, head there to check out what has shown up. All right, we're back. How do I look? I feel a lot better. And I just got a notification on my phone for delivery. Let's head to the shop, see what's there. Waiting for the UPS guy because the delivery notification that I got was actually for something completely different, was not car parts. So we're here suffering in the 80, 90 degree heat of summer. Unfortunately, winter is over here, but car parts are inbound. Quick update. We ran to the machine shop. It's actually the powder coat shop as well, where I'm going to be taking a bunch of my parts to get done. But in the meantime, while we were sitting here, I finally got the delivery notification, and this one is actually the parts that I was expecting. It's not some other package. So we just need to head back to the shop, go pick that stuff up. We'll go ahead and do an unboxing really quick, and then they're coming over here. All right, so just walking back now, and there they are. First major mod to the car, 1 7/8 American Racing headers. These are actually going back to the powder coat shop right now, and we are going to cerakote them, and they'll be on in a week or so, but let's go ahead and open them and see what they look like. So basically what I ended up going for, you can see them here, is the American Racing 1 7/8 inch headers. Didn't go for the 2 inch because I don't really ever plan on doing boost. I also went for the intermediate system. That way I could just tie it into the factory valve exhaust. So up there are the catalyst pipes. Here is the mid pipe, and then here are the headers. They also, thankfully, sent me a couple extra bungs because we have the O2 sensors here, but I also need a third sensor for the wideband sensor for flex fuel, which comes tomorrow. So let's go ahead, pack all this stuff in the car, and we will head to the shop, drop these off, and I'll show you what color we're getting. So what I really like about American Racing, and I had no clue about this prior, is what all comes in the box. So not only do you get the headers and the pipes which you ordered along with the clamps, but I asked them for a spare bung to where I can install the wideband sensor. They sent it. They also sent all of the hardware. They actually sent 2 spare bungs. And then under here, one thing I wasn't expecting is we've got the O2 sensor extenders, brand new bolts, and factory GM exhaust gaskets. Honestly, the price is worth it. Let's get these over to Jonathan's shop, and we'll go over the color where we're cerakoting these and get them to him. We have everything loaded up in the car. Cat delete pipes, mid pipe, both sets of headers, the boxes, all sorts of stuff. Let's get to the cerakote shop. Have I mentioned it's getting like miserably hot outside? I definitely wish Florida was a little bit cooler most of the time. 80s, 90s, 100s, this shit sucks. Car's hot as hell. Got shit falling off of the windshield. There's my dash cam just hanging around. I hate the heat. So, I mean, you'll be able to see them from over here.
Oh,
right?
yeah. So you know what, dude?
What?
Because it's almost got that little bit of a bronze effect on the actual ring, dude. Full bronze would look incredible. Are you ever going to do anything with the intake or this piece at all?
Yeah.
All right, so anyway, dude, the bronze would look awesome. The only thing is that your car is black and white. So the bronze is going to stand out. It's going to look really good, but I would definitely, if you're later on, if you're trying to dress this engine bay up, I would do like maybe like a white and bronze Camaro logo, you know, something to kind of keep it flowing.
Yeah, because I know the actual like intake, well, the plenum is black. It's like silver, so I don't know.
I mean, black would just be black. It's gonna color away with everything, but you're not gonna see it. The bronze is gonna look phenomenal. It's gonna be a lot deeper.
Yeah. Well, I like that raspy sound. I know with these mufflers, it sounds incredible.
Yeah. Look what you do with big dick moves.
Small dick moves.
It's first time of the year, fine?
Yeah, that's a pushing it a little bit. Let's go check out your tires.
Okay, check this out. Okay. So, all right, so the truck is a 2001 Cummins. It's been a little bit of a project for a while. She's under construction again, so the people that have seen it the way that it was, and the people that haven't seen it, here it is. So I'm redoing all the overlays white. There's some secret stuff going on for the vinyl wrap that I can't talk about. That's gonna be at the next Florida Truck Meet show, so you guys will see that on that. Something I will spoil are 1 of 2 in the United States set. If you guys know Gabe Farrell, which if you're into truck stuff, he's the first owner of this set of tires, and I'm the second. So these are 480/80/30s. I went kind of small. And just so you guys know, I'm 6'5". Now it converts to a 58.3 inch. So this will be very interesting. And then I got sponsored by ETE Forge, so shout out to them. Those are the 30x16s coming for it.
How much do these weigh again?
317 pounds a piece.
I thought I was fat.
Dude, we both are, don't worry. And I'm gonna hit a Chinese buffet for lunch today, so. I need something to tote my fat self around, so I got these. That, and then I got a blow through going on the inside of it. She looks like a disaster, so I'm sorry to the internet. It's very disrespectful to have my truck this way. But I tore the whole interior out. I got the door panels getting redone. They're getting 4 6s, a whole center console from the dash all the way down to the blow through, which the blow through is done. It's got 3 15-inch kicker L7s. The box is literally half the size of an 8-foot bed. So what I did was I actually welded a frame to the bed to connect both sides so water doesn't leak in. So that's finally done. The wiring is going to get done hopefully this week. I got an 18,000 watt amp and then a Tesla radio going inside of it to modernize it. So all the seats are done. They're inside. They're all reupholstery. So the next time I go out, it'll be a lot more.
So what is this? This looks like gator leather.
That's my old school stuff, man. I did that like, I've owned this truck for 9 years. I probably did that a couple months after I owned it. That was my first phase in hydro dipping.
How are you going to get in this thing, actually?
Trampoline.
But for real.
Matt Armstrong, and he looked at my truck and he was like, why'd you do it, or whatever it was, and I was like, well, God gave me a small willy, so I had to compensate. I guess over in the UK they have nothing like this. Like, this is like unheard of over
I saw a
there.
video they took at TRF through London.
Yeah.
And they're like scraping the curbs on both sides.
Yeah.
That's how narrow the streets are over there.
He liked it. It was pretty cool. I just admire more the relationships I've built behind the truck more than the truck. Yeah.
Let me take a look at that color one more time.
It's not a shop if it doesn't look like an organized mess. So this is the bronze. This is not anything high temperature at all. The guy just really loved this pigment of the bronze.
But we're doing a high temp.
High temp C series. This is actually the same bronze. This has no need to do a C series. He just really loved the color, so he wanted me to paint those parts out. But C series for the exhaust. And this is super chrome powder.
That's a powder?
That's powder coat. It mimics like a dull polished aluminum. It's a very good alternative for chrome.
High temp as well?
No, that's not.
No,
no,
you were saying
that's
the high
powder
temp
coat.
satin almost.
Yeah, yeah. All high temperature color C series are going to be some kind of like satin sheen or like a matte color. If they're not, it's not C series. It'll burn off. Yeah.
Well, we'll be back in a week or so.
All right, guys.
Alrighty, guys. So we're back at the house. Have a couple of the parts left in here. The mid pipe and one of the cat delete pipes is still here. The other one's obviously getting drilled and welded with that bung for the wideband sensor, which will be here tomorrow with the flex fuel kit. Keep it out for the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. See ya.